Hello, my name is Fatima. I'm from Portugal, Lisbon. I graduated many years ago in computer science at the University of Lisbon. I worked for many years in PepsiCo company. The first years I worked as a programmer, but then I also worked giving second level support to many systems applications. And also, I worked also as a project leader. In 2015, I decided to change my life, and I decided to help others with my knowledge and my experience. So I decided to become a teacher and a tutor. I took the right certifications, and I made some experience with a few students to see if I could help the students pass their exams. And as all of my students, I chose like six students, all of them pass their exams in the universities. So I decided that I should go ahead with this dream that I had. And since 2015, I've been doing this, and it has been an extraordinary experience. Nothing gives me more pleasure than to receive a call from a student saying that, "Hey, Fatima, I passed my exam. Thank you so much." So this is really a good feeling. Before I finish, let me tell you a little bit about the method I use with my students. To be honest, I try to adapt the way that I explain things and the way that I work to each student needs, okay, and to each student's personality. But I always start to ask about the topics that the students wants to cover or that the university is following. And the majority of my students came from university, and I always ask the students to share with me the documentation for me to see the vocabulary that the teacher uses and to try to prepare the classes that I have with the student so that I can explain to the student exactly what the teacher is explaining to him, nothing more, nothing else. Or I try not to use different words. I try to use the same vocabulary that the teacher uses and try to study so that I can maximize the chances of the student to be succeeded. I also try to explain things to the students using a very easy examples. I don't think it's a good idea to of course that every student is different, but I'm speaking about the majority of the students. People usually understand things with easy examples. So instead of talking about abstract things, I try to explain things using very easy examples. And when I see that the student understands that, then I can go to the next level. Okay. And I ask lots of questions to the students. Why is that? The thing is that I want to develop the students' the logic skills, the students' reasoning skills. Okay, so that's my goal. And of course that I explain at first things, giving these easy examples. Okay, I try to explain things, but then I ask many questions to the students so that the students they are able to develop their logic skills, and with lots of exercises, of course. And that's it. If you need my help, if you see that I can help you, of course that I will be very glad with that. So thank you very much for watching this video and have a great day. Bye-bye.